Hello everyone, good evening. Today in this video we are going to learn one of the most powerful software, that is Tinkerpad. See, Tinkerpad is one of the web-based software. See, web-based software means under the internet we are going to use. See, the Tinkercad is free online 3D design, electronics and coding tool. A Tinkercad is one of the free online 3D design, electronics and coding tool developed by Autodesk. The Tinkercad as developed by Autodesk. It is widely used for beginners and students, hobbyists and educators. For what purpose they are using here? To learn basics of 3D modeling, electronic circuits and block based coding in a fun and easy way. See, by using this free software, the two as I told you, this is one of the web-based software. We no need to pay anything for the software. Just if we use internet, under internet we are going to get the Tinkerpad software. See, by using this software, we are going to create 3D modeling, then electronic circuits and block based coding. See, block based coding is nothing but there is PictoBlock. Under PictoBlock, that is one of the Scratch based program. In the automated programming or automated commands will be there. Just we are going to fix the commands on the particular programs. The similar way here, by using this Tinkercad software, we are going to make three different applications here. One is 3D designs, second one is circuits, and third one is code blocks. See, these are the main three different applications we are going to work under the Tinkerpad. See, first one is 3D design. See, by using Tinkerpad software, we are going to create 3D designs. See, 3D designs is nothing but three dimensions designs we are going to make. See, CAD is nothing but computerized added design. The CAD is computerized added design. By using this Tinkerpad, we are going to create our 3D designs and also in a simple steps. See, simple steps means just by dragging and dropping the basic shapes. See, whatever the shapes, just by holding the mouse, we are going to drag and drop onto the screen. We are going to create our 3D designing here. Then models can be exported for 3D printing. See, and whatever the models we will prepare, we can also export easily to the printing. And it is useful for learning computer aided design. See, I already said here, CAD is computer aided design. It is very useful for learning this CAD. Okay, under the second feature is circuits. See, under circuits, how we are going to use here? See, by using circuit option, we are going to design and simulate electronic circuits online. See, suppose you want to create or design any online electronic circuits, this is a good platform to design our own circuits. Then includes components. There are various component includes like resistors, LED, motors and battery, sensor and also even see Arduino board also. See, all these components are added onto the circuit sections. And also we can write and simulate Arduino code to test circuits virtually. See, that means, see here, whatever the circuit we are going to create, for that we can also write simulate. Simulate is nothing but what we are going to create the circuit, and once we give for the execution, we are going to call it as simulate. When the circuit is functioning, we are going to call that is simulate. For Arduino code also you can simulate and we can test the circuits virtually by using the circuit feature. And the third one is code blocks feature. The code block feature is nothing but the block based coding interface. This is a block based coding interface. See, this already we have used under the PictoBlock. See, it is one of the scratch based programming languages. All ready made commands are available here. Just by simply dragging and dropping the commands, we are going to create a code block 3D designs with this code. It helps students to learn basic programming design. See, by using the code blocks, we are going to build a program designs, and it will be very useful for the students and the beginner of the programmers. Okay, then after some futures, we are going to see why we should use Tinkerpad. See, now we came to know the Tinkerpad. A Tinkerpad is nothing but is one of the web-based software we are using under the internet, and by using this Tinkerpad software, we are going to use for three different features. One is for 3D creations, then second one is circuits, and third one is code blocks. Then after that, why we should use Tinkerpad? What is the necessity to use Tinkerpad? See, because here the Tinkerpad is one of the pre-online software. See, if we go to the web browser Google Chrome, and under Google Chrome, if we search Tinkerpad, under Tinkerpad, we will get the software easily. This is pre and we are getting under the online. There is no installation required. Like other software, there is no installation required for the Tinkerpad software. And then second one is beginner friendly with a simple drag and drop interface. See, it is very simple to drag and drop interface. Say for example, if you want to create any 3D design or any circuits or any block code, already some of the templates or some of the ready-made blocks or ready-made designs are available simply by dragging and dropping on the working area. So simply if you drag and if you drop, it will come onto the working area, easily can operate it. Then good for STEM education. This Tinkerpad software is good for STEM education. So STEM is science, technology, engineering and math. It is very good for these are the fields like science, technology, engineering and math. The another feature is supports 3D printing and electronic simulation. See, by using this Tinker software, we are going to create our 3D designs and also electronic circuits. See, electronic circuits, once whatever the code or whatever actions we are going to give under the circuits, if you want to run, that one you are going to call it as simulation here. Then other feature is used by teachers, students, makers and also robotics enthusiasts. See, these are the different people they can use easily Tinkerpad software. See, the reason we are using this is free and online, easy to use for simple drop and drag interface, good for STEM education and supports for 3D model and electronic simulation, and various people using like teachers, students and makers and robotic enthusiasts. Then we are going to see some applications under the Tinkerpad. See, what are the applications we can see under the Tinkerpad here? Already we discussed here some of the features are there that are 3D modeling, 3D design printing. See, whatever we prepare 3D designs and printing, by using these applications, learning 3D design and printing objects for real world applications and creative project. See, by using this one of the application means we are using the Tinkercad to learn to build 3D design and also printing object for real world. Then Arduino simulation. See, Arduino simulation is nothing but we are going to use under the circuits, whatever the circuit you are going to make, we can build our own circuits and also save for time components. And also here we can build some different types of circuits like series circuit and parallel circuit. Everything is going to be possible under the Tinkerpad. Then educational projects. See, for example, if you want to create any educational projects like school and colleges on the base of electronics and design, it is very comfortable to prepare educational projects under the Tinkerpad. Then other one is teaching engineering. See, teaching kids and beginners about engineering concepts through the interactive design. See, by using this Tinkerpad software, we can teach kids and beginners with interactive designs by using Tinkerpad software. See, in a simple way, if you are going to say, or if you are going to call, a Tinkercad is a beginner's playground for 3D design, electronics, and coding. See, all at one place we are getting, that is three different functions here. One is 3D design, electronics, and coding. All the three different applications we are getting under in a single platform, that is Tinkerpad. I hope you have understood what is Tinkerpad. In the next video, we are going to learn how to use Tinkerpad software and how to open Tinkerpad software under the internet. Thank you.